There, now I'm recording again because I thought it was recording. I might have been, it's just being stupid. So, might have some multiple parts on this one. I don't really care. So, at least we got the better angle. Slightly better angle. Can't bother to put shoes on. Y'all gone quiet. There. Yeah, and yes, I would hop in that vehicle, go out somewhere, but I don't trust not getting pulled over randomly. Because I gotta get vehicle stuff handled anyways. So. I'm not turning off the storm. I can't do that. And even if I could, I wouldn't. Look. Oh, yeah, I got flood threats too because of these storms. So. But this is basically going to be the gist of how summer's going to play out. A lot of stormy weather. So. Oh, that means the trail cam's not going to catch much right now. I didn't realize that. Set out the trail cams and they're not going to be able to catch anything because animals tend to not show up when it's doing this nonsense. And even if they do, I won't be able to check the trail cams until it stops doing this nonsense. So, yeah, chose the wrong time to get the trail cam stuff started back up. Oh well.
Outside in the middle of the lightning. What about it?
I'm having fun. I'm recording it for YouTube, so.
Inside before you get stuck. What the hell is you doing?
I've been outside in tornadoes. What you mean?
The average. I'm screaming.
I've been outside in tornadoes. The fuck you mean? Although I'm using a vehicle, but. Ooh, that was gonna be a loud one. And believe me, if I had the street legal side on the vehicles done, I definitely would have gotten into a better position for the storm. Would have brought you guys along and recorded it and shit, but yeah.
Okay. What the fuck are you listening
I don't know what they're listening to, but yeah. I doubt my mic is picking it up, so I'm not too concerned about it in terms of copyright problems, so. The rain's picking up heavy, though. The rain's picking up, Mia. Ho ho ho! That rain is getting heavy though. I'm still out here enjoying it. If I get struck, that'll just be a little shocking, nothing crazy. Believe me, I'll be making content with this. Oh. But, yeah. Well, the annoying part is it is trash night. The can's out at the curb, so. At least it's not windy. Yeah. This storm's really good so far. So Logan, everything good so far on your end? Like I was saying, is like the camera on the thing working?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well. Y'all gone really quiet though. Figured there'd be a little bit more commentary from you guys' end.
Well, it is right.
Mom, stop doing that. It's not hard.
What? I was just saying there's not a lot of commentary coming from you guys on this. There usually has been. Y'all just gone all quiet, that's all. I mean, normally I would be probably asleep right now, but this thing came in, so. Yeah. Yeah.
It was much louder too than Daniel this year.
Yeah. But he's definitely not coming back anytime soon, so. Definitely a lot of lightning with this, though. Well, it's not the most electrical storm I dealt with, but it's definitely up there. Nothing too crazy close, but just yet. May have a random tree around here explode. As long as not any of them that risks crushing one of my cars, I don't care. So yeah. I might get 3 to 5 inches tonight with this rain if it keeps going like this. Yeah. But I wouldn't be surprised if I see 3 to 5 inches of rain over the next couple weeks. Though. Like, in all honesty. Maybe 5+ inches. But as for those wondering, those buckets, that I've got a couple more buckets, filled them up with soil, just put some beet seeds in there, and well, they're getting watered now, so that's something. Yeah, as for the onions that are left over there, They kind of died, so I just put them in the bottom one of the buckets so they degrade and become part of the soil. So, which I did check the timeline for the beets. If everything goes right, they would be ripe by Labor Day weekend. So, I know it's not advised to plant them in going into summer, but with how this summer's looking, I don't think that's gonna be a problem. Oh, Logan deafened. Oh well. Not as electrical now. All the lightning moved away. That makes the storm boring. But still, it's much needed moisture. We need as much rain as possible going into fireworks season. Especially with Jake's fireworks not being far from here. Oh, I got a tag for dangerous weather imminent. Flash flooding until 4 a.m. Okay. Oh, gosh, that's going to be a problem. But I guess if there's flooding, I'll give updates. But right now, I'm not seeing anything right now. And the lightning is dying down, so it's just going to be basic rain. So, just gonna sign off. Never mind, there's lightning. That's pretty close, too. I know y'all heard that. Oh, it's just Mia. I know you heard that, Mia. But yeah, lightning's been pretty far and few between now. So, giving it a couple minutes. If it doesn't do anything, any absolute batshit crazy by then, I'll sign off. Because lightning like that, not really batshit crazy. Blowing up one of these trees would be batshit crazy. But yeah, because I'm not trying to overwork the phone overnight. That's the main reason I was thinking that, because, well, gotta upload the videos. I don't want to overwhelm that, but phone's gonna be on the charger, and monetization's not a thing until mid-July at the earliest, so not a problem right now. It'll upload when it uploads, you know? So. Rain is picking up again. But I do gotta get to sleep eventually, so. Gotta sleep to the sounds of the storm. So yeah. May get some stuff on the storm with the trail cam, which we'll see in the morning. But I do got a lot of trail cam footage to go over anyways. Already got some clips on there. A lot of it will probably be combined into larger clips. It's just, there's a lot. There's a lot of deer, a lot of bucks. Okay, I might stick around because it gone a little batshit with the rain. Camry swinging in. Talking about the storm. But the rain's picking up, that's why. I thought it was dying down. Nope. But yeah, this goes to show I could stand to have like some sort of security camera out here type deals to capture the storms. Which I could probably set that up with those bird feeder cameras. Gotta get a couple of those. So what the heck? That's a huge line of vehicles. Oh, that's gonna be loud. That probably blew up a tree nearby. Holy shit. Me, I cannot hear you over the thunder because that lightning was like on top of me. The lightning was so close. I had almost hit, I think it hit somewhere on the property. I'll probably check it out tomorrow. What's cleaning? Deal with it. But hey, Mia, the lightning's trying to kill everyone again. But Mia, I'm recording a video I'm recording the storm. Of course I'm gonna talk. You could be weak. Anyways. Good thing I didn't sign up just yet. But yeah. I'd like to get that thing street legal so I could go chase again. And the gas prices probably dropped to where they were pre-bomb the shit out of Iran levels. But that is what it is. That one's gonna be loud too, ain't it? That was that way. Anyways. Hey Logan, I nearly got hit. Yeah, lightning got real close. That it's fun. Because he knows I'm probably recording and don't want to crash out while I'm recording. I don't know, but Wildfire was crashing out earlier, so. Yeah, he mad at someone else over nonsense. Well, neither am I. That's why I'm recording. Oh my gosh, what's going on now? That was not planned, but enjoy. We're not in a VC, at least not in this server. Anyways. I know. At least it wasn't me. Oh, there's Trevor. We didn't do anything. Yeah, I'm just enjoying the storm. But yeah, Trevor, I almost got hit with lightning.
I saw that. I'm texting
Dickhead.
But yeah. My whole thing is I just told Wildfire you need to just drop it and move on.
Nobody was attacking you. You were
Yeah. It's just Wildfire is like, oh, there's peace. Time to crash out over something. That doesn't mean you try to blow up a tree near me, you stupid bitch. I'll beat your flying ass. Go away. Anyways, that lightning got close. Yeah, that lightning got close again. Gonna feel a little zzz. But yeah. Just give Wildfire a heads up that I am recording if he does hop into VC. Because I know he's like, oh my god, you can't record without my permission. It's like, bitch, you are not my director. So fuck off. My channel don't got a director. Never will. Yeah, manager is not director. But yeah. So if I hop in here causing problems, I'm just gonna mute him for the sake of keeping the channel's chances of being monetized again fruitful. But the storm appears to be dying down, but every time I say it's dying down, it nearly fries somewhere nearby.
So let's see.
Well, this is more thunder in the distance.
Well, if this thing any further north, this thing's gonna have a rock.
Well, oh, you have the radar pulled up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it appears to be going north. Which is not good for these plants because they're not going to get any rain out of it because this is a north-facing porch.
Yeah, so, if it goes north, you're going to be seeing storms for quite a while.
Yeah. And I won't be up all night recording the storms. But I'll probably get... Okay. Because I got stuff to do in the morning. But, yeah. Okay, that lightning was pretty far away. Ugh. But, could be worse. But yeah. But that means I gotta get some sort of camera set up out here that can start randomly recording whenever there's storms. So, yeah. But yeah, we'll have to hop off a video so I could, yeah, go to sleep because I got stuff in the morning. I got more storms forecasted tomorrow and pretty much every day for the next 2 weeks. So definitely not going to be missing out on much, guys. So that's for sure. But regardless, that does seem to be it for right now. So, yeah. Stay safe out there. See y'all in the next video. Bye.